If you keep a lot of browser tabs open on your iPad, learning and mastering tab groups will make your life a lot easier. This is kind of how most people do it. They'll have a bunch of tabs open in one pile, and eventually it becomes hard to find anything because you have 87 tabs open. If you use private browsing, your iPad will separate private browsing and all your private tabs from your regular browser tabs, but that's as far as it goes when it comes to grouping or organizing things. For the most part, everything is piled together. To use tab groups, we'll first expand the sidebar from the left. Then tap the plus icon, which allows us to create a new empty group or create a group from my existing open tabs. I'm going to go ahead and create an empty group. I can give it a name and then save it. Now this group starts from a clean slate with nothing open. I'll open some tabs here, and all these tabs will now be a part of the tab group that I created. If I tap this button in the top right corner to view all my tabs, you'll see that it shows just the tabs in my tab group, and it's separated from all the other tabs I had open. I can quickly jump between the tab group and the rest of my so-called regular tabs. And this is basically what tab groups are all about. They allow you to organize your tabs manually, and it makes it significantly easier to find what you're looking for. I'll fast forward a bit here while I create another tab group, and you'll see how each group will then be available on the top of my screen, and I can easily jump and preview what each group contains. I'm just using cars and tech as an example here, but you could create separate groups for work, entertainment, news, or really just about anything. In the sidebar, I can tap the little arrow to expand my tab groups, which gives me a list of all the tabs that are included in each group. And I can then jump to a specific tab directly from my sidebar, which can be a good shortcut if you have a ton of tabs open. If I tap and hold a tab, I can pin it, which will put it on top of the list of tabs in that group. That way, your important tabs will always stay on top. I just don't like how pinned tabs get minimized and they don't have the same big preview as regular tabs, but I don't think there's anything you can do about that. If you tap and hold a group on the left, you can rename them, or you can delete them if you want. Another thing you can do through the sidebar is move browser tabs from one group to another. Just tap, hold, and drag your tabs between groups. Pretty easy, and honestly kind of feels like working on a computer, moving files from one folder to another. Or if you prefer, you can move tabs without using the sidebar. Just navigate to any tab group, find the preview for the tab you want to move, and then tap and hold it to view your options. You can either move the tab to an existing group, or you can create a new group for it. And that's tab groups on the iPad. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more quick and easy guides like this.